guys, welcome to this week's video. So today I'm going to be showing you my everyday spring makeup routine featuring this pink nude look, and I've been obsessed with this look for absolutely ages, and I took inspiration from Sophie's nails because she did this eye look and I just adapted it to create my own look, and yeah, I've just been wearing it all the freaking time. So if you guys want to see how I do this look, then carry on watching. Right guys, I'm going to start off by priming my face, and I'm actually using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It's oil free and I got it in Birchbox in the new year. So if you guys haven't seen that haul, I'll link it here so you guys can have a little nosy at what I picked for my own Birchbox. But yeah, my Soap and Glory One Heck of a Lot finish. I do have another one in the drawer, but I'm giving this a go, and this is amazing. It feels so soft on the face, and it's just really nice to blend in. Like, it just feels really good. So I'm gonna pop that on my nose, my cheeks, and my under eyes, my chin, and my forehead. And I've just been obsessed with using it every single day, and it just adds a nice base for my foundation, which I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Wake Me Up. This is one of my favourite ever foundations. It's quite light coverage and it's a little bit darker than the other shades, even though this is ivory, but it's darker than the other ivories. But I love to use it for spring and summer this time of year, and it has a vitamin C in. And the good thing is it's SPF 20, so when we do get those rare bursts of sun, then I'm protected. And I'm using my Eco Tools foundation sponge, which is a new addition, and I just really love it for applying my makeup. Blendy blendy blend, which is something that no beauty YouTuber says anymore. I'll just sort of drag it around, which is really bad, but I don't dampen it like you should because I'm too lazy for that and I can't be bothered.
And then I just use my fingers to make sure it's all blended in, because you don't want a line on your neck.
Okay, if you guys have seen my previous Get Ready With Me's, you probably would know I have 3 concealers, but I figured that the Revolution Conceal Define is amazing full coverage, so I only go in with 2 now. So I'm going to use my NYX Dark Circle Colour Corrector, and because my nails are really long now, I have to like dig it in, and that means it transfers under my nail, so that's kind of annoying, but I'm going to put that under my eyes. So I just apply it to sort of as a base for my concealer, and obviously going with this under here. I do one eye at a time because it dries very quickly, and I'm using my Eco Tools concealer sponge. So these two actually came in the set in my Birchbox again, and I've just been obsessed with these. If you guys want to see my first impression, I'll link the video again here, and yeah, I was just in love with it. Does anyone else pull really strange faces when they like apply makeup? Because I always go like this, and there's no reason why I need to do my lips like that, kind of really annoying. And then the next bit is just to do around the nose and my chin, and that is my concealer. Next we're gonna go in with the Stay Matte Powder from Rimmel, which is a holy grail. I've used it ever since I started wearing makeup when I was 16, and just pat it all over the face. Then I go in with this brush and do my under eyes. And then with the same brush, I'm using my 17 Conquer Define on Conquer Contour Kit. I always say that poshly, and it's highlighting my cheekbones and all that. I don't know why I said highlighty in a weird way, and why I didn't say highlighty. And then I'll do the contour on my cheeks. Cue the strange face. I've put a bit too much on my nose. Oh my god, what? Next, blusher, which I can do look in the viewfinder, and This is the Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Blusher in Peachy Keen Heart from I Heart Makeup, which is my favourite. Pop it on the apples of my cheeks, and it just gives a nice little glow. And you've got like 3 shades there, and it just blends to a really nice peachy pink. I just love it. And the next step is eyebrows, which is probably the longest stage in the entire world. Gonna wax my eyebrows and then apply the colour with my trusty Glory Duo Art Free Brow Bar, which I have used since forever, and you guys probably see this in my first ever makeup look on this channel. So it's a really old school trusty product to use. And now cue the sped up of filling in my eyebrows. Eyebrows are now completed, and I'm gonna go in with highlight. And I've been obsessed with the Sleek Makeup Distorted Dreams palette, and it's an absolute freaking dream. Like, I just absolutely love it. I like to go all out and stand out with my makeup, so this is perfect. I use the middle one for my cheeks, which is super glittery, and I get so many compliments for everyone I know, and even customers at work, so that just makes me so happy. And I'm just going to use this one on my brow bone, this one obviously cheeks, and maybe this on my nose. I don't really use the green. I've used it probably once, but it's just not been a good look. So pretty, and the pink goes so well with the look I'm going to do today, which is basically the look I've just been obsessed with. So pretty. Are you ready for the purple? It's probably my favourite part. It's all pretty. I've already hit pan on the purple, and I'm really sad because that means I have to go out and buy another palette just for that colour. But oh my gosh, it is stunning. And the next thing is eyes, and I got this particular eye look from Soph Does Nails when she used her own palette, the Soph X palette from Revolution, and this is £10, and it came out I think around September, October last year, and it's just my favourite everyday palette. And look at the colours, they are so pretty. And today is going to be a very pink look, which she did for her Valentine's Day look, because she wanted to show off what you can do with the colours in her palette. And today it's going to be the pink on the outside of the lid, this pink shimmer on the inner, in the middle, and then the inner corner, and then I'm going to do a bit of the brown as eyeliner. And I'm going to take my Spectrum eyeshadow brush and just do that. And the mirror is absolutely amazing. I'm going to take this and blend it in. Just keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. Oh my god, I did it like that. Let me go down. And then with this brush, we're going to do the pink in the middle. It's my favourite part. And in the corner. Palette is legit so pigmented. And then in the brown, I'm going to do up here. And then blend that out. And then on the lower lash line, I'm going to take this one and just do the pink. And then I'm taking the brown here. And then you want to take this one, and then you stay matte, and then just sort of tidy up the outside because it'll be a bit messy. I mean, that's what Soph did, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to do it there. Now it is onto mascara, and I'm using it in the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit, which is actually a favourite now. In my first impressions I wasn't too impressed, but I was impressed. But now, compare it to the Maybelline Lash Sensational, this definitely thickens the lashes and makes them look amazing. Can you see the difference already? That is insane. So now I'm going to quickly exfoliate my lips and I'll be back with you to do my lipstick to finish up the look. Okay, I am back and I'm going to be using a new favourite, which is the Barrier Matte Me Up in the shade Go 2. I feel like I'm becoming a Soph Does Nails stan because she loved this and she made me want to buy it, and I did, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and I think it just goes really well with this look. So it's a lip kit and you just do the liner and then this, and it definitely beats wanting to get a Kylie lip kit because Barrier are absolutely amazing, and it's $6.99, which is a bargain. It looks orange at first, but it dries to really pretty matte. And while it dries, time to sort out the hair. And this is the finished look. This is what I do basically every single day, even when I'm like at work or at home, and I'm just obsessed with this makeup look. It's such like a spring makeup look, and the brown just adds a bit of like nudiness to it. I don't know, it just helps tone it down. And the highlight is my favourite bit, and yes! Guys, enjoyed this video and I gave you inspiration for what you can do for your everyday spring makeup look, then do give it a thumbs up, comment below your favourite product from this look, and subscribe and click notification down below to get updates when next upload every single Friday. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you very soon.